Show us your holiday baking masterpiece. Welcome back to another episode of UNT's Great Holiday Baking Challenge. As always, 3 teams of 2 will face off to create the most stunning, delicious dish utilizing a secret ingredient. When the clock starts, you will have exactly 4 years to... You will have exactly 1 hour to complete your creations.
That is not a lot of time.
And now, Eagles, here is your secret ingredients. Gingerbread! Pre-baked at exactly 250 degrees, each team must create a house using only gingerbread, frosting, and candy. The time starts now, Eagles, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go Mean Green!
Where do we start?
I don't know. Here.
They're gonna have to work together if they want to succeed in this competition. The pressure is on.
Oh my God. We ain't never gonna stop.
Team 3 is really showing some spirit, but the clock is ticking. Let's see how this gingerbread crumbles.
Well, Mia, I haven't done the gingerbread house, but maybe we can start it like this, maybe?
Well, I have. So
Oh my gosh!
maybe like this.
Is she sorting candies by color? Okay. Just look at them work their holiday magic. With just 30 minutes left, the pressure is on. Let's go down to the floor with our sideline reporter. Lucky, how are the contestants doing? Thanks, Lucky. Well, all right then. Each team is hard at work. Who will be our next UNT Holiday Baking Champion? Here at UNT, creativity, perseverance, and innovation soar. The time is now.
David, how much time do we have left?
I don't know.
You have 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left on the clock.
Oh my God, Mia, we have 20 minutes. Let me help.
Just look at that teamwork. That does not look stable.
David, be careful. David.
Oh no! In a terrible turn of events, Team 2's gingerbread house has fallen. This is a huge setback for them. You hate to see it.
Mia, I am so sorry.
Time is ticking. What's this? Scrappy seems to be planning something with Team 2. Lucky, can you hear what's happening? This is completely unprecedented, but with only 10 minutes left on the clock, there is no time to waste. If there's going to be a champion today, they must think quick. That was a competition for the books. Before we reveal your final creations, let me introduce our celebrity judge. President of the University of North Texas and culinary connoisseur extraordinaire, Neil Smatresk. And now it's time for the big moment. Show us your holiday baking masterpiece. This is truly incredible. A scale model of UNT's historic Hurley Administration Building made entirely from gingerbread. But the opinion that really matters is that of our celebrity judge, Neil.
I have to say, I was really concerned when I saw the preparation. But I think what you've done today is prove that we're better when we work together. By the authority vested in me by the state of Texas, I hereby confer upon each of you the title Champions of the UNT Great Holiday Baking Challenge.
Unbelievable! For the first time in UNT Holiday Baking Challenge history, the teams came together, supported one another, and found a path to success. Brings a tear to my eye.
Happy holidays, everybody, and go Mean Green!